Bukod sa pagbibigay ng saya sa paglalaro ng bingo at pagiging pinakaunang PAGCOR licensed online bingo, isa rin sa mga sinusuportahan ng Bingo Plus ang Miss Universe Philippines 2024 na may adhikaing bigyang pansin ang iba't ibang humanitarian issues na kinakaharap ng mga Pilipino. Kasama ang Bingo Plus, humarap sa media ang 53 kandidata ng Miss Universe Philippines 2024 at ibinida ang kani-kanilang advokasya. Ayon sa mga kandidata, natutuwa sila na makasama ang Bingo Plus, lalo't pareho ang kanilang misyon na makatulong mapabuti o matulungan ng ating kababayang naghihirap, lalo na sa sektor ng edukasyon at kalusugan.
Education is one of the most important sectors that we should really give importance to. And that's why Bingo Plus also aligns with Miss Universe Philippines. It's not just a platform where we enjoy, we showcase ourselves, but deep inside it, there's really the advocacy, the passion, and the love of service. Thank you so much.
Really know or check the background of Bingo Plus, it's more than a gaming entertainment. It has a lot of foundation. It has the same mission and vision with Miss Universe. Yes, we have different advocacies, but we only have one goal when it comes to the community, and that is to give back, spread kindness.
At para sa News Scoop, ako si Maine Barreto, nagbabalita ng tama, naglilingkod ng tama.